Dear students of class 9, we are going to use this book Perfect Optional Mathematics written by N.B. Khatako and published by Vidyarthi Pustak Bhandar for our videos. This book contains altogether 8 units, and here we are going to start Unit 1 Algebra and Lesson 1.1 this relation. In this lesson we have to study about meaning of pair, order pair, equality of order pair, Cartesian product and relation and types of relation. We have studied almost all topic in junior classes 6, 7 and 8. If you have not watched that video, then please go through it. In this video we will be studying only that topics which are new for class 9. They are representing of a relation by description form, or this is also called set builder form, and types of relation, onto relation and into relation. Other types of relation we have already studied before in junior classes. For class 9 we have to study onto relation and into relation, and in this one to one, one to many and many to one relation we have to study their types also. So let us start these topics one by one. At first we are going to study about representation of relation by description form, or which is also called set builder form. For this, let us suppose set A containing element 1 and 2 and set B containing elements 2, 3, 5. And then at first we have to find Cartesian product. Now after this, let us suppose one relation under which we are going to find x is equals to y. From here this is not equal to this not equal, so from here I am going to write it directly. Here x is equals to y is only this, 2 equals to 2, so this is our relation. Now we are going to represent this relation by description method. For this we write R equals to order pair xy, then here x belongs to A, and then y belongs to B, then we write a condition of for which this relation is formed. We have formed this relation under x equals to y. So this is a set builder form or description form of this relation 2. This is a set of order pair form, or which is also called roster form or listing form, and this is a description form or set builder form. Now we are going to form another relation in set of order pair form, that is x is less than y. So 1 is less than 2, 1 is less than 3, this is also right, 1 is less than 5 is also right, 2 is not less than 2, so this will not be here, 2 is less than 3 and 2 is less than 5, so this will be also here. So this relation we have formed under a condition x is less than y. Now we are going to write this relation in set builder form or description form also. For this we write same as before, x y, then such that x belongs to set A and x belongs to set B, and now we write condition. Here we have formed this relation under condition x is less than y. So this is the representation of this relation in set builder form. This is in a set of order pair form or in roasting form, and this is in the form of description. Now let us write relation under the Cartesian product B cross A. From here, let us form one relation under a condition x is greater than y. 2 is greater than 1, so this will be here 2 is greater than 1, and 2 is not greater than 2, 3 is greater than 1, so this will be here 3 is greater than 2, this will be also here. 5 is greater than 1, so this will be also here. 5 is greater than 2, so this will be also here. Now this we have written in a set of order pair form. Now we are going to write in same relation in descriptive form. For this we write same as before x y such that x belongs to, your first set is B, so you have to write here B. For this much I have shown you another example. Do not be confused that x belongs to always A. X belongs to the first set. Here first set is B, so here x belongs to B, and y belongs to second set. Here second set is A, and we have to write condition. We can write comma also, or we can write and also. Under which condition we have formed this? X is greater than y. So this much we have to study in description form. We are going to study about onto and into relation. Onto relation means a relation in which range of R is equals to codomain of R, means R is a relation from A to B, and here range of R is a proper subset of codomain of R. At first we have to understand meaning of codomain and range. Codomain means all the elements of second set. For example, here codomain is 4, 5, 6, 7, and range means a set of all the elements which are images of set A. For example, this 4 is images of set A, 5 is also image, 6 is also image, but 7 is not image. So only 4, 5, 6 are the elements of range. Here codomain is equals to, and range is means images of set, all the elements of set A. They are 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. This 4, 5, 6. 4 is a image of 1, 5 is a image of 2, 6 is a image of 3. Here 4 is image of 1, 5 is of 2, 6 is image of 3, and 7 is not image of any elements of set A. This 4, 5, 6 we can call image also, or this we can tell 1 has relation with 4, 2 has relation with 5, 3 has relation with 6, and same here. In this way we have seen that here codomain means number of elements, and the elements themselves are the exactly same here in codomain and range. So this type of relation in which codomain is equals to range is called onto relation, and this type of relation from set A to B or from any set to any other set is called into relation if the second set has this range is a subset of codomain. Here we can see one element is less in range than in codomain. Here number of elements is 3, and here in codomain number of elements is 1, 2, 3, 4. But another thing we have to remember is here elements are also same, but only one extra element is present in codomain. I hope you have remembered about the meaning of subset. And proper subset means a set containing at least one element less than the other set and containing exactly same elements. Here exactly same elements are present and here one element is less than in codomain. I hope you have understood clearly about one-to relation and interrelation. Now we are going to study about types of one-to-one, one-to-many and many-to-one relations. There are two types in each categories. They are onto relation and interrelation of each categories. One-to-one onto relation, one-to-one interrelation, one-to-many onto relation, one-to-many interrelation, many-to-one onto relation and many-to-one interrelation. Here we can see in one-to-one onto relation there is one-to-one relation and where range is equals to codomain. Here range is 4, 5, 6 and codomain also 4, 5, 6. Here also in interrelation also there is one-to-one correspondence, but here range is a subset of codomain. Codomain here is 4, 5, 6, 7 and range here is only 4, 5, 6. Here at least one element has more than one relation or more than one images in set B. Here 4, 5, 6 are elements of range and also of codomain, but here range is a subset of codomain here. So this type of relation from set A to B in which there is at least one element of set A as image or relation with more than one elements in set B and range is a subset of codomain. Here in many-to-one relation at least two elements should have same image in set B and number of elements in range should be equals to number of elements in codomain. Here codomain element is 4 and 5 and range elements are also 4 and 5, but here codomain elements are 4, 5, 6 but range element are only 4 and 5. So this is many to one into relation.